my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well and having a lovely week so far. This video is going to be part of a couple, maybe 2 or 3 videos, I'm not really sure yet, depending on how it goes, but it's a teeth whitening video. This company, Smile Brilliant, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try out their kit for a review, and I said yeah, because my teeth are stained, because I used to smoke a lot and I used to drink I still drink a lot of coffee, and I'm just really not happy with my teeth. So yeah, I wanted to try it. They said we'll send you the box, send you the kit for free, you do a review. They've also given me a 15% off code, which I'll put on the screen. There is a giveaway that we're going to be running as well. I'll link it all down below. You basically enter the giveaway, and then one person will win $149 worth of credit to buy one of these. The kits retail from $139 to $169 depending on what system you get. There's sensitive, non-sensitive, light staining, medium, all those kind of things, but it's all on the website down below. So yeah, we're just going to do it. This is how it comes, like this, and inside you've got what it tells you to do. So you have to make dental impressions, which is what we're going to do on this video, then send them away, and then they'll send them back the little kit, and then we start whitening. So you send away your impressions, the lab crafts your trays, and then you whiten and relax. So you've got a little Smile Fearlessly sticker, and then in here you've got your trays, you've got a base and a catalyst. So you mix these together and then put them in the tray, and that's what we're going to do. And then you also get your gels in here. So you've got your teeth whitening gel and your desensitizing gel. There's 3 of each of these, and I think each one of these syringes does 3 or 4 applications. You also get your returns envelope, your returns card, and then there's instructions for desensitizing gel, what to do with the whitening gel, how to do your impressions, and all that jazz. But we're going to get on and just do it right now, because I want to get it done. I want to send them off, and I want to start the teeth whitening. I'm just going to show you my teeth quickly. They are, especially around the tops, quite stained from years of smoking and drinking lots of coffee and tea. So yeah, we're going to do it. I'm going to get this stuff out, and we're going to make some dental impressions. Right, I've got my trays, I've got my little catalysts and stuff, and I've got the instructions. So it basically says you mix 1 catalyst, which is the white one, with 1 blue paste until they're solid blue, and they will begin to harden like as soon as. So you have to roll it, paste it into a ball, 1 white, 1 blue, smash together and fold, repeat 20 times within 60 seconds to make sure that it's done. Then you have to set the putty in the tray as shown above. Kind of shows you how to do it there. 30 seconds or less, and it's got the timings for you. And then it says, this is the defining moment, press evenly into your teeth, do not bite. So we're just going to do it. I'm going to get, oh my god, it doesn't want to come out. Okay, I've got 1 white. Oh, it's like Play-Doh. I'm going to start my 60-second timer, because these are already going to start hardening, I'm assuming, as soon as the air hits them. So, right. I'm just going to smush them together so there's no white streaks left. I've got a horrible feeling this is going to make me gag. Put it behind my nail. Doesn't smell of anything. I think I'm going to do bottom teeth first, and I'm only going to do 1 at a time. You don't want to do both at the same time, because you need to get this done without it hardening. So right, and we're going to put it in. Oh my god, this this is a lot. Look. Wow, that's a lot. So that's my minute. Right, and then I'm gonna put this in my mouth. Okay. Well, that was gross. It didn't taste gross. I'm just... Look. So it's done it. And then it says, let the impression sit for 30 minutes and then rinse under cool water. So that's just going to sit there. I'm going to do the other side. Well, not the other side, my top teeth, and then we'll come back. It's so weird and gross. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them there. Put a timer on my phone for 30 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse them and we'll send them away. So all the details for the giveaway are down below. And I'll link everything that I can. I will see you. I think, how did it say? 7 to 14 days for international customers.